is going on, everybody? This is Andy.
And Gianna.
We are SimplyAG. We're over here at Quantum Accelerator at Six Flags New England. Gonna ride it for the first time. We are super excited. Theming around this one looks really good. I hear they did the queue good. The sign looks awesome. I love that sign, the blue on it. There are 2 launches. It's an Intamin launch coaster, and like I said, I heard that this is smooth. A few other rides that we're trying to ride today, like Wicked Cyclone, Superman, Pandemonium. Those are rides we have not hit in probably a year or a little bit more. I don't know the last time we were here. Maybe Fright Fest was, I don't know.
Maybe a time after. Yeah, I'm excited. We love straddle coasters, so it should be fun. It is supposed to rain today, so hopefully we can fit it in all in.
AKA it's raining right now.
Yeah.
No talking though. Let's go ride this ride.
Yeah.
We're here. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's go do it. Riding Quantum Accelerator. We were supposed to be here yesterday for the media day. We were so bummed. Well, I was supposed to be here. Gianna wasn't going to come. I was going to come out, but work called me in last minute for an emergency stuff. Huge bummer we couldn't. Huge apology to you guys, because that's the exact content we want to get for you guys. So huge bummer. Sorry about that again. Hopefully next time we're able to do that for you guys. Okay, we are officially in. Let's go do this Quantum Accelerator first, right?
Yeah.
Let's hope it's open. I mean, we haven't checked. We don't know. We haven't seen any wait time, so let's hope it's open first. It's gotta be, right?
It has
It's gotta be. Oh my god, it feels good to be back here. During Fright Fest, they have the water all red, like the fountain over there, and this water all red. It's super cool, yeah. We are looking right at it. It's testing right now. We got 1 minute.
Folks, can
Here
I
we go.
have everybody's attention real quick?
Let's go. We're about to ride. Are you ready?
So excited.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Bye. Woo! Here we go. Second launch, 45 miles an hour. Woo! Wow. Here comes the tallest point, 59 feet in there. That was amazing. I really like that. Wow, this is a cool shot with it right over us. That is awesome right there. Okay, just getting going with our first ride on Quantum Accelerator. That was super fun.
It was so fun. It was so smooth. We always love holding on to the handles like we're
Exactly.
riding like a little
We were
car.
debating, do we go hands up? Do we hold on to the handlebar? And I think if you're riding a straddle coaster, you have to go handlebars. But yeah, that was so much fun. Dual launch straddle coaster, so very cool. It goes up to 45 miles an hour. It's got 59 feet of height. So seriously, like an awesome addition to this park. I think the area it's in is perfect, like right in the center. Such a viewpoint when you're walking through the park. We're about to go hit Wicked Cyclone and Superman, just knowing like this is in the middle. We can hit it with Pandemonium and everything. Like seriously, such an awesome addition.
I agree. I think the theming was great too. I mean, that little green thing in the middle was cute.
Exactly.
And
even the queue had some stuff that we didn't show.
when we stopped, we were like right under a piece of track. Which was
That was
cool.
awesome. Yeah, being back row and looking at that track when it's over you is awesome. We did back row for the first ride just because that's what we were given. I used the wrong season pass coming in, so we can't use fast lane yet. So we have to run to the front and go set all that up. But
we'll be back.
yeah, we'll be back front row next. Hi, Bugs. Nice. Woo. Wicked Cyclone next. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this. Hey, done with Wicked Cyclone. What a great RMC, like surprising.
It's better than I remember it being. Yeah. It's definitely up there for like top RMC.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Even the second half, like you think it's over, you're still hitting airtime hill after airtime hill. You're getting like the over 90-degree bank right at the end.
Yeah.
That kind of hurts the left side of me anytime I do it. But still, super fun. Right now we're gonna go do Pandemonium and then maybe Quantum Accelerator again, then maybe Superman. But it's also gonna rain at like 1. It's like 12:30. So I'll take the juice. Alright, Pandemonium's next. Ready to spin? Another surprisingly super fun coaster. Like, we know this one's fun, but just like, we were spinning on this one. It was fun.
We had a spinny.
Did not film it just because, like, I don't know, as I was getting online, I felt uncomfortable, like, filming the people that I were looking at. Like, I don't know.
Yeah,
just,
we don't know them.
exactly, yeah, like, if we got our own ride, maybe we'll throw one up here if we do it 2 times today and get one, but I don't know. It feels a little awkward. It only makes me excited for Project Purple. Like, imagine that. It is going to be crazy.
Well, you might need to keep your hands down for that because you did elbow me in the cheek.
I did elbow her. That was a quick boom by accident. So, I think Quantum Accelerator next, right?
If it's open.
Yeah, we just got our fast passes, so let's go. Do it. One thing is this park is absolutely beautiful. I love Quantum Accelerator in this area. Such a great fit. And just New England itself is just so amazing. New segment on the channel, Churro. So we're over at Six Flags New England.
That was a good front. Nah, mid.
A little weak.
What's your rating?
Now it's still a Churro, so it's good.
Obviously.
4 or 5.
Oh.
Not
4.5 or 4.25?
Yeah, I'd say 4 or 5. It's a little been sitting there for a bit. So good though. Alrighty, and this is where we're gonna be ending. This is one we hope you guys enjoyed. We got to ride a brand new roller coaster today. That was awesome.
So fun. Great family coaster layout.
Yeah, some of the banks are taking you over 90 degrees. You're going really close to the ground. It's super fast. You're getting launched twice. You're getting high up in the air. Just like an all-around great family coaster. I mean, it's not going to be your Thriller. It's not going to be like Superman or Wicked Cyclone, but it is feeling like a hole in this park where it has a nice, fun coaster that's just like a great layout, super smooth. I personally want to keep riding that. Like, I had so much fun. She wanted to go do Superman, but like I was like, let's ride it one more time. And then we didn't even get a chance to ride Superman, so I apologize.
That's okay. I really like the straddle coaster, as I said. I really love holding on to those things.
Yeah, to the handlebars. Again, such a huge bummer we could not come out to the media event yesterday. We were invited, and like obviously that's exactly the type of content we want to give to you guys, and everything was working out. Just work last minute, had to call me in and had an emergency, and we could not get out to the media event.
He would have had to come by himself.
I was gonna come alone. I was gonna do it all alone, everything, but it is what it is. We're hoping it's not the last time we get that opportunity, and next time we just get to grab it. Anyway, guys, this has been Andy
And Gianna.
We are SimplyAG. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Go click this video because YouTube thinks you're really gonna like it. All right, guys, that's it. Take care. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.